Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Kenni Sondari from Biology Class B, UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. In this great opportunity, I would like to share my opinion or probably talking about the existence of homosexuality in animals. And the question is, can animals be homosexual? Alright, before we go further, let's know what is homosexuality behavior between animals. Homosexual behavior in animal is sexual behavior among a non-human species that is interpreted as homosexual or bisexual. They may include same-sex sexual activity, courtship, affection, pair bonding, and parenting among same-sex animal pairs. Researchers indicate that various forms of this are found in every geographic region and every major animal group. Animals have been observed engaging in same-sex matings for decades, but for the most of the time the documented cases were largely seen as anomalies or curiosities. It because the homosexual behavior still seems to be a rarity. We have probably missed some example. It because maybe the appearance of the male and the female animals it almost looks like. But while hundreds of species have been documented doing it on isolated occasions. Now we're going to the example or the cases of the homosexuality in animals. The first cases is the female Japanese macaque. But based on the research or the expert, the female Japanese macaque doing the homosexuality is just because to seeking a sexual pleasure. But for all the homosexual pairings the female indulge in, it's clearly they are not in truly homosexual. Because the female is still engaged or still interesting with the male. Cases is the male fruit flies and male flower beetles. In both cases, the males are using homosexuality behavior as a roundabout way to fertilize more females. So, based on the researchers and the expert, it's clearly how these behaviors could be favored by evolution. But it's also clear that fruit flies and flower beetles are a long way from strictly homosexuals. And now the next cases is the licensed albatross. Their same-sex coupling is a response to a shortage of males and is much rarer if the sex ratio is equal. So it just looks like a responsibility between females to growing up their next generations. In other words, the female licensed albatrosses probably wouldn't choose to pair with other females if there were enough males to go around. So this means they were lacking of the male albatross. The next example is the bonobos. Bonobos are often described as our oversexed relatives. The bonobos doing or having the homosexuality behavior because it cements social bonds. Even the young bonobos comfort each other with hugs and sex. Junior bonobos may use sex to bond with more dominant group members, allowing them to climb the social ladder. So, finally, the conclusion is we may never find a wild animal that is strictly homosexual in the way some humans are, but we can expect to find many more animals that don't conform the traditional categories of sexual orientation. And also it might be because the lack of the quantity of male or the female in the group. Okay, I think it's enough for me. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.